YouTube family. Man, your boy's in a rush today, man. Look, your boy realized, I was like, wait a minute, I ain't put out a video today, man. I gotta hurry up and get to the crib and put out some content for the fam, man. So what is good, man? Your boy Jay is here, and I am coming at y'all today with a quick unboxing video, as well as some updated, upcoming news that is happening on some restocks I've heard about. So I'm gonna share that all with y'all. But before I do, if this is y'all first time stopping through, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and give this video a like for your boy, man. I'm gonna keep hitting y'all with this content because y'all been showing a lot of love to your boy, man. Big shout out to the OGs and everybody that has been rocking out with your boy Jay. The comments have been coming in, the likes have been coming in, man. So do not stop it. I see it all, and I'm gonna try to get back to all those at my earliest convenience, man. But please go ahead and give this video a like, as I did say. And yes, today, man, we will be getting into some of these packages that your boy did pick up, and we can first start out with some news, man. So what I'm hearing is there will be an exclusive access going through Nike Sneakers app. Exclusive access, because they're saying that for people who took L's on previous dunks in the past, they will be selecting those accounts to get exclusive access on these select limited SB and Nike dunks. However, you know what I'm saying, they do it, but I call cap, because if you guys remember the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, yes, the Lost and Founds, they did the same thing, supposedly the same thing. They did say for people who took L's on Jordan 1s, they were selecting those accounts to give exclusive access to, but cap, bruh, cap, because I take all kind of L's on Jordan 1s and I didn't get exclusive access on those ones. And I know people who take W's on almost everything they go for on the sneakers app. I ain't gonna call no names, but shout out to the homie Ron Got Soul, man. I just want to stop the video real quick. Shout out to the homie Ron Got Soul. He's a real one out there, man. Y'all follow his YouTube channel. Tell me your boy Jay sent you over there, man. But shout out to the homie Ron Got Soul. But like I did say, I ain't mentioning no names, but shout out to the homie. He did receive exclusive access on the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, and I was like, bruh, hey, I'm happy for you, bruh, but I call cap on the way that Nike said that they're doing things, because I don't think that, you know, that was what they were saying was supposed to happen. But shout out to everybody who got W's, not salty at all. I'm just saying, when Nike does say these things, you got to take it with a grain of salt, because they do whatever they feel like doing. They know their money is guaranteed. They know y'all gonna buy the shoes, so they just saying stuff to kind of please the consumer for the moment. But are they really doing that?
Stop the cap.
Yeah, stop the cap. But anyways, we will have exclusive access on tons of Nike dunks. We should be seeing shoes such as, bang, the chlorophyll dunks, which arguably, in my opinion, is one of the best Nike dunks. Like, they've been going crazy with the Nike dunk colorways this year, man, but I definitely like these. These are one of the clean, underrated pairs of Nike dunks to release this year. But we should be seeing shoes such as these, the chlorophyll dunks. We should be seeing shoes such as, bang, the Dodger dunks right here, which is another dope, clean pair of dunks that have released this year. I still got a dead stock pair. Shout out to the homie Jumper Man Chris for helping me get my personal size in these, but definitely a fire pair. So this is another shoe that we should be expecting to see on the sneakers app. That's not it. Bang, another shoe, definitely might be in my top 10 of the year, the Bart Simpson dunks. These are all rumored to be restocking, and of course being a select exclusive access to these pairs on the Nike Sneakers app. Like I said, the dates will be from December 20th through December 22nd, only a 2-day thing, but expect a lot of exclusive access to be going out to those select accounts. How you check for exclusive access, you will either get a notification, or if you don't get a notification, real talk, the best thing to do is follow Soul Links on Twitter. Follow Soul Links on Twitter. They will send out a tweet. Saying that exclusive access is going out at that immediate moment. If you're around a desktop, probably the easiest thing to do is log into your account on the desktop and then go to that specific shoe or check your inbox, and it will let you know if you have exclusive access to any of the shoes that will be restocking, man. So definitely take advantage of that, man. But a whole bunch of Nike dunks are supposed to be releasing. Hopefully any of you watching this video are able to secure a pair that you missed out on for the retail, because, you know, we want nothing but people to win over here, man. But anyways, man, we do have that restock coming. Your boy does have a couple packages I want to dive into real quick. I'll do it while I'm talking, because I do not want to make it lengthy enough. But restocks was the #1 thing I did want to mention to y'all. Stay near to your phones or your laptops or anywhere you get notifications, so you can be alerted and know if you do get exclusive access on any of the recent packages past dunks. I even heard that they might be restocking these too, man. So eBay dunks is also on that list as well. So if this is a pair that y'all want, you know, a lot of people really don't possibly want to throw these on feet, but definitely a good collector's piece in my opinion. So definitely check out and see if you got exclusive access on any of those things, and good luck to y'all, man. I hope it's a lot of W's that I'm hearing that people got down below in the comment section, but let me know what y'all got. But other than that, man, your boy did get a package in from My Fitteds, and I do have a package here, and I tell y'all, look, whenever I be doing these videos, I love to match my clothes with the shoes, but I had no time. I just had to come in and shoot this video, get it out to y'all, because we got 31 videos to hit y'all with in the month of December. But anyways, man, I do have, bang, this dope. Is this a Seattle Mariners? I think so. I think so. I don't know. Bro, y'all know, if it ain't an NBA team, I don't know what it is, man. I think it's Seattle Mariners. Y'all don't crucify me if I'm wrong, but I'm thinking it's the Seattle Mariners hat that your boy does have right here in the yellow and blue. And I do have this shoe right here. I just showed that it can possibly go with, man. So take a look at that. You know what I'm saying? Definitely dope. This is the 20th anniversary of something Nintendo. This is a Nintendo hat collab that My Fitteds had made, and this is actually sold out. It's sold out. It's no longer available, but definitely a dope hat. I'm glad I was able to pick it up, and this works. I did not plan this out by any means, but it just worked good like that, man. But Seattle Mariners hat right here, if that's the team, and pretty dope. Side patch right there on the side. Y'all said y'all want to see more hats on the channel, so here you go. Dope 7 1/8. Of course, your boy personal size. I could bend the brim, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the homie, he got kicks. He does have perfect brims, which does help you, you know what I'm saying, bend it and give you that nice little modern look that people are wearing their hats. But I'm old school, you know what I'm saying? I'm just regular, you know, fitted it out, you know what I'm saying? That's how I rock. But anyways, man, take a look at it one more time. Dope fitted in my opinion. These are no longer available, but they do have other hats available over at My Fitteds. So check them out, get you a hat, and yeah, these tough, bro. But package, bro, let's get into the package. The package, arguably the sneaker of the year to some. Some may say it's the sneaker of the year, man. It's been going in and out of people's mouths, and I'm like, I don't know, man. I don't know. I gotta see these in hand. I have not seen these in hand yet. Shout out, man. I can't even go any further, man. Shout out to my wife, bro. Shout out to my wife, man. Hey, if you're watching, love you. Thank you for all that you do for your boy. You support your boy. But yes, man, she blessed your boy with this one. She said this is one of my early Christmas presents, and she told me what it was, and I was like, man, you know, you be listening to what I be saying. Like, I gotta start mentioning like some Travis Scotts or some Off-Whites or something. You know what I'm saying? If she gonna eavesdrop and hear me talking about stuff, that's what I need. You feel me? So I'm gonna start talking a little bit louder about Off-Whites and Travis Scotts when I'm around her. If she gonna be popping up with shoes like this, you feel me? But my wife went over to GOAT, man. She went over to the GOAT app and she purchased these for your boy. Hopefully, man. Hopefully, GOAT, y'all did me right, bruh. Hopefully, y'all did me right with these because, bruh, GOAT is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. You never know, bro. But anyways, man, it's really random with GOAT, bro, because what passes their authentication is shoes that we might never buy if we see them on a shelf somewhere. We'd be like, okay, we're gonna pass on that pair. But it passes their verification process. Why? I don't know, but they need to tighten up. But anyways, man, wifey then got your boy a pair of bang SB Dunks. I mean, we were talking about Dunks earlier, so it's only right, man. So shout out to the wife for this pair right here, man. So as you can see, it is a SB Dunk. Does have the colors, blah, 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 all that on it, man. Let's take a look at the size tag. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low OG QS Quick Strike. Color is Frost. I skipped something. Color blocking again is Orange Frost Electro Orange. Size 9, so it is a personal. My ring light always be getting in the way, but size 9, man. I go true to size on these, and it does have a little GOAT, little, you know, tag over here on the side. But anyways, man, let's see what the wife picked up for the homie. And popping it open, I can feel paper about to fall out, so let me open it the right way. So it does have, of course, your GOAT sticker, and of course the verification card that I'm gonna hold on tight to this, because if it ain't something right on it, I'm coming back to whoever verified it. But anyways, got that, and the wife got your boy a pair of bang, the Orange Lobster SB Dunks, man. Yes, sir. And where my rubber band at, bro? Where my rubber band at? Hopefully it's in the box, but I need my rubber band. But let me take these joints out real quick, man. Yes, sir. Shout out to the wife, man. She got your boy these orange lobster dunks. I was talking about them, and she was like, is that what you want for Christmas? I said, I guess. I'll take them, you know what I'm saying? Got that fresh Nike smell to them, man. Let me find, I need that band, though. I need that. Okay. It's here. False alarm. False alarm. We got it, man. So let me go ahead and get this right real quick, and then we will be right back. Bang! Here we have them, man. The Nike SB Dunk Low Orange Lobsters, man. Got them in the collection. Like I did say, shout out to the wife for getting your boy this pair. And whew, we would say, boy, I thought we was gonna have to trip for a second. I thought I ain't have my band. I need it all, GOAT. I need it all. But it is a clean pair of dunks, but I think that these are gonna look fire on feet. The orange colorway, as you can see, these came in a variety of different colors. We had purple lobsters, we had red lobsters, making me hungry. We had what other color? We had yellow lobster, I think, but I don't think the public ever saw those. Those are like crazy expensive, but I think they're coming out with a white lobster as well too, if I'm not mistaken. But several different colors in the lobster, you know what I'm saying, style type of I guess theme with the SB Dunks, but definitely a dope shoe. As you can see, the checkerboard style detailing on the inside. It does come with 2 sets of extra laces, which your boy loves. You know I love my laces, man. So definitely a clean pair of dunks, man. Glad to have these in the collection. And yeah, man, I just wanted to show y'all a couple of the pickups. Shout out to the wife. This wasn't me, so shout out to her for this, my early Christmas present, one of them. And yeah, man, had to add them, man. These will be releasing, I think, officially on the Snkrs app. They're releasing them on December 22nd. And I think boutiques and mom and pops and skate shops, not really boutiques and mom and pops, but skate shops. Skate shops will be having these. Raffles should be live right now, or they might even be closed at this point, man. But good luck to everybody trying to get these as well, man. I wish nothing but W's to everybody who wants them and wants to throw them on feet. If you're watching this video, you want to rock them, not resell them, hey, I'm wishing a W up on you, man. So, hey, fingers crossed for y'all. Hopefully, I can get a dub on either the Snkrs app or a local skate shop or something. But here they go, man. A quick look again at the Nike SB Dunk Orange Lobsters. We can get into another video on it and break down the details of this shoe, but not bad at all. Somebody let me know, can I wear it with that band on there? Like, will it not pop over time from like wear and tear on the bottom? Like, I wonder how that works, but y'all let me know. But that is it for this one, man. Big shout out to the wife and my fitteds, okay? 2 pickups from this, you know what I'm saying, unboxing. So let me know what y'all think of them, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, and let me know what you did pick up from that exclusive access, if you did get any. And that is it for this one, man. Your boy Jay is checking out with my pickups and my quick little talk about exclusive access. So till the next time, tomorrow we do have those, what are them green and white Jordans called? I forgot the name, but Gorge Green. Hopefully I will have the Gorge Green video to y'all tomorrow. It will probably be earlier than this. I'm just a little bit behind, but hopefully I have that out to y'all tomorrow. But other than that, your boy Jay is gone. Y'all stay blessed. Till the next time. Peace.